As I think you know, the American Bar Association section of litigation gives an award annually in honor of Judge Wisdom. And on the occasion of receiving the award this year, we would like to talk with you a little bit about your recollections of Judge Wisdom. What were the most significant events or cases that were decided during the time that you clerked for the judge?
Well, of course, he's known best, and I think he probably would prefer to be remembered best for the civil rights cases and the responsibility that he felt for defining that rather normative phrase, all deliberate speed. It's pretty hard to pinpoint anything that I think he was special in, because I think he was special in everything. He thinks he was special in a period of our history where there was tremendous social unrest and turbulence. And you know, I'm willing to agree with that. I think he was a great public servant in that arena. He is a complete and gentle person. He's a Southern aristocrat of the first order. He's the magnolia blossom, but he's also Amazing Grace and the Stars and Stripes. He's a great, great American patriot.
Why were you interested in serving on the court and leaving your successful practice?
Well, I don't know why I was, to tell you the honest truth, but I felt that I could be of service to the courts on the Court of Appeals, especially for the Fifth Circuit. The Fifth Circuit at that time included all the Confederate states. Not only Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi, which is the states which now comprise the Fifth Circuit, but also Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. And I felt that those courts should really be following the law with regard to civil rights particularly.
As you look back, Judge, on your so distinguished career, what do you think is the most significant thing that you have accomplished as a judge on this court?
I think I made a significant accomplishment in reversing the trend which for some years persisted, and that trend was that the theory or the doctrine that the Brown case did not require integration, it merely forbade discrimination. I took the position that the Brown case required affirmative action, and we could not expect that to come from the school boards or the district courts. They're too close to the mores of the times and their local people. And I felt it was natural for the courts of appeal to take the lead in that. And I think my great accomplishment was in getting that reversed.
Judge, the litigation section of the American Bar Association is very pleased to give annually awards in your honor, the John Minor Wisdom Awards.
Well, I really am very happy about that.
Well, Judge, if you cannot be with us when these awards are given, I wondered if you might take just a moment to tell these recipients of these awards in your honor what you think of lawyers and law firms who dedicate themselves to public service.
Well, I think it's very important that lawyers dedicate themselves to public service. They're in a position where they can help, and they can help indigents. And the better a lawyer is, the better able he is to help indigents. Indigents and poor people and people without resources of any kind desperately need good lawyers. often need good lawyers. Sometimes it may not be much of a case, but I'm strongly in favor of lawyers who do put in that type of service. No, I never considered that I was a hero. I thought that I was just doing what I had to do and the right thing to do. I knew I was right. I was confident that I was right and that I was doing the right thing. But I never had any delusions that I was a hero.